Hello and welcome back. Before we get started, just a quick reminder to please like, subscribe if you haven't already. It really does help the channel out. So let's see, looks like we're doing puzzle number 95 today. Let's start with this box here. We're missing a 4 and a 6. We've got a 6 here. So 4, 6. So for this column then, we're missing a 1, 5, and 9. And I'm not seeing any help. So 1, 5, 9, 1, 5, 9, and 1, 5, 9. For this row here, we're missing a 1, 4, and 5. We've got this 4 here, so 1, 5. No help here, so 1, 4, 5. 4 here, and no other help, so 1, 5. But that means that our 4 has to be here. If we look at this bottom row, we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got a 4 there and an 8 here. So this is our 7. And 8 there. So this is our 4 and our 8. If we look at this row here, we're missing a 1, 4, 5, and 6. We've got the 4 there, 5 here. So 1, 6. Just that 5 here, so 1, 4, 6. 6 here, 4 here, so 1, 5. And again, the 6, we've got a 4 here, so 1, 5. So it looks like with that 4 covering here and here, and that 4 covering here, our 4 has to be here. For this column, we're missing a 1, 5, 6, 7. We've got a 5 and a 7 here, and a 6 here. So this must be our 1. 6, 7 here, so this is our 5. 6 here, so 7 and 6. To finish out this box then, we're missing 3, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 6 here, so 9, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing a 1, 2, and 7. We've got the 7 here, so 1, 2. No help here, 1, 2, 7, and no help here, 1, 2, 7. Let's finish out this row. We're missing a 2 and a 7. We've got a 2 here, so 7 and 2. For this column then, we're missing a 1, 3, and 5. We've got no help here, so 1, 3, 5, and we've got a 3 there, so 1, 5. But it looks like with that 3 covering this box and that 3 covering this box, our 3 has to be here. Let's work on this row here. We're missing a 1, 3, and 4. We've got the 4 there, so 1, 3. 1 here, so 3, 4. 4 here, and 3 there. So this is our 1, 3, 4. That 1 makes this our 5, 1, 5, 1. That 5 makes this our 1. And that 1 means our 1 can't be here or here, so it's here. So we can get rid of these ones and this one. If we look at this column now, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. Got the 8 here, so 2, 5. 5 here, so 2, 8, and 8 there. So that 8 and this 5 means this is our 2, 8, 5. And then we can get rid of this 5 here. Right. Let's work on this box here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this column, looks like we're missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 6 and a 3 here, so 2. That 3 means this is our 6 and our 3. That 2 means this is our 7 and 2. So to finish out this row, we're missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 1 and 9. No help, so 1, 9. If we work on this column, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 there. So 9 and 2 to finish out this box. Looks like we're missing a 3 and a 5. We've got a 3 there. So 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 9 and 5. And this is our 1 and 9. So to finish this out, we're missing a 1 and a 7. 7 there. So 1 and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.